And he says, big bro, I don't want to overwhelm you, but there's some dudes on the yard that is on the yard with you that are dirty. They're no good. I just been on the yard for a few months when he and I had this conversation. And so a couple of these dudes had been on the yard for a little while, but Devil had just pulled up. But let's call him Bird from 9 Deuce, Baby Bird, let's call him a pseudo name of sorts. And Stein Dog from 7-4. Stein Dog. And what happened was, Big Star told me that Devil, first he told me, man, I don't want to overwhelm you, so I'm only going to give you one situation at a time. Just get this dude removed, and then I'll give you the next one. I said, no, that's not going to work, because I'm on the yard with these dudes,